And this one we have 22 is less than or equal to 6x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4x plus 16. Now I'm going to separate this into two separate inequalities because that's just the most productive way of solving this. And I want to keep the x in the middle, so I'm going to add 2 to both sides. And I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And I'm going to end up with 4 is less than or equal to x. And now on this one, I want to keep the x in the middle, so I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. This is going to zero out. I'm going to get a minus 2x. Then I'm going to add 2 to both sides. It's going to cancel out. And I'm going to get a plus 18. And I'm going to divide through by a negative 2. The mere act of dividing through by a negative makes this inequality sign flip. And I can come add this, or write the rest of this right there. So I separated it into 2 to get one answer.